Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Sam once again. So guys, today we are going to talk about one of the token which is going to get released in just 18 hours. So what exactly is this token all about? What's so special about this World Liberty Financial and who's behind this? I'm sure like many of you guys know about this. So this is for the people who doesn't know. This World Liberty Financial, this is none other than, let me show it to you guys, from this guy. You know this guy? Mr. Donald Trump, President of US. So yeah, he's the former president and he's going to be president as well. That's undoubtedly. If you have watched Kamala Harris, all the news and the way she is giving the speeches, it's quite obvious that she doesn't want to win. So that is quite evident that she is not going to be the president as far as my knowledge goes. Let's talk about crypto. Let's talk about the token. So this token is World Liberty Fi. This token sale goes live on Tuesday. That's tomorrow. So that's October 15th. That's just 18 hours. So if you guys want to get an update about this, I'll leave the link of this Telegram. You can go to the website as well. This is the website, World Liberty Financial, and you have to get KYC'd. Guys, I don't want you guys to miss this. Make it a point. Don't miss this. Why am I insisting so much? I wasn't supposed to make the video today, but still I'm making it first just for you guys. Why, because crypto has been in the bubble for like almost more than a decade. Everybody, not one country, but every country used to say crypto is terrorism, crypto is money laundering, crypto is not a good money. And now look at this. The former president and the president who is going to get elected on November 5th, he is saying himself that this crypto token is from him. We don't need any website. We don't need any tokenomics. Who cares about tokenomics website and team? Though the team is his son is going to take care of this, but Elon Musk is behind it. Elon Musk is the VIP, and there are many celebrities, and there are so many. Robert Kiyosaki, I'm sure like you guys know, Rich Dad Poor Dad is a very close friend of Mr. Donald Trump, so he will be involved as well. The Iron Man, so I'm sure like there are many means many. This is not going to be a small hype. This is going to be a very big hype crypto. I'm not sure what's the utility, and I don't even care about utility because who cares about utility? The memes are taking over all the utility, all the AIs, all the anything you talk about. The memes are actually dominating the crypto market. So memeify or dogs or whatever cats. So the memes are actually taking over the crypto and dominating it like left and right, straightforward everywhere. So let's be quite straightforward like this is, and let's not hide behind the bushes. Let's not say that we are here for tech. We do appreciate the tech which is involved, but the real fact is the money is involved. We all need money. And I'm sure Mr. Donald Trump needs money as well for the election. So in this way, he's going to get some money, some help. But then I'm sure he's going to win. And when he wins, this will be like multi-billion-dollar project. So what I look forward is like nothing less than 70 to 80 billion market cap, which will be coming very soon. But then even if I take conservative number, nothing less than 50 to 45 to 50 billion market cap. Don't miss, guys. Even if you have a less still invested, you don't know what's going to come. You don't know what's going to happen. Though there is in every market there is a risk of going up and down. This is I'll leave the channel link. This is the channel, the Telegram announcement channel. So yep, you can get all the updates over here. Tomorrow is the Twitter space. So if you guys want, you can join. I'll be there as well, and many of my group members will be there too. So we all are investing, and I'm sure and I insist you guys to invest as well, because Mr. Donald Trump is not just a name. He's a brand himself. He was a businessman. He was a former president. He will be the president. And he have a lot of things going on. And he clearly mentioned that he's going to promote crypto and he's going to support crypto. So that's a very good plus point, the positive sign for crypto people, for us. So don't miss this. And if there is any other updates, I'll let you know. But make sure, and I'll also show you how to KYC. KYC is very easy. If you're in US, you click on US. If you're not in US, you just click on live outside, and let me show you guys. So once you select it, and then whichever you want to select, live in US or outside of US, then connect the wallet. I would recommend using the MetaMask because MetaMask works much better than the other wallets. I tried the Trust Wallet, but there were some glitches as well. Safari iPhone wasn't working that well, but MetaMask, the inbuilt browser, was working like easy charm. So I would recommend using the MetaMask inbuilt browser, and just do the KYC. It's self-explanatory. It's very easy. Select which country, or so after selecting the country, you give your identification, share your details like your ID card, whichever ID card you want to for the verification, and front side and the back side, and that would be easy go. It's very easy, guys. It will take like 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that, I guess. But to get it approved, it will take a few hours because there are so many people who is getting into this, and it's not just the retailers, the business people, and there's so many other people. And like, I've seen the list of the people who are getting involved in this. This is huge, guys, and meme token is getting dominating everything. So don't think about that you are into tech and you just want to be in tech. Just look at the at CMC or anywhere top 10, you'll see so many memes, or even top 20, you would see like 12 to 13 are the meme coins. So don't panic when you see meme coins. Yeah, this is my friend. Yeah, he's not that ugly. He looks ugly over here, but it's not that ugly, I swear. But he was actually helpful because I was having some glitches and he helped me out, and really thank him. Thank you. So that's it for today, guys, and we'll see you in the next class. Till then, keep rocking and keep printing. So see you and goodbye.